Welcome to another beautiful class with Mathemasoft, and this is the continuation of our class on highest common factor. So in the last video, I already explained that you can call it highest common factor, you can call it greatest common factor, and this will mean that you can see it being written as GCF, that's greatest common factor, and you can see it being written as what? BCF, that's biggest common factor. So any of the names that you see, so you should know that we are talking about the same thing. In the last video, we already explained how you can use tabular method to find HCF of numbers. So in this video, we want to examine using products of prime factors. Product of prime factors. Product of prime factors method. Okay, products of prime factors method, just exactly the way we did while we were actually studying LCM. So we are going to just take note of the little difference when you are using this method for HCF. So let's use the same example, the same questions that we actually treated in the last video using tabular method. So we are going to use these questions also so that we can actually do justice to using product of prime factors method to solve highest common factor of number. So in this, let's note the answer that we got. When we did this, our answer here was 8, and when we use this, our answer here was 9. So we are going to use this method also to see we are going to result to the same answer. So in number 1 now, that's solution. Okay, all right, in number 1, so we have 8, 16, and we have 24. Of course, I hope you still remember we normally write this in the as the product of their prime factors. So if it's 8, we are going to have 2, 4, that's 2, 2 again, that's another 2, that's 1. So 8 will be 2 times 2 times 2. And the next one is for 16. So we are going to say 16, that's 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, that's 2, 1. That will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so for 24, we have 12, 2, that will be 6, 2, 3, that will be 3, 1. So that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, here comes the difference between using this for HCF and LCM. In LCM, yes, truly, you group, okay, the common numbers. We are going to do that, the same thing in HCF. So 2 is common, okay. 2 is also common, okay. This 2 is also common. Now, the only clause in HCF is that you are only concerned with the number that is common to all these 3 numbers here. Taking this for example, you should only be concerned with only the numbers that are common to the 3 of them. You know, in LCM, either the numbers are common to the 3 of them, common to the 2 of them, we always circle it out. And even after we might have taken the circle of all those numbers that are common, even these 2 and these 3 that are left here under LCM, we used to still multiply them. But in HCF, you will only be concerned with numbers that you are able to circle out as a common number to these 3 numbers here. Okay, so our HCF now will simply be these 2 times these 2 and times these 2, and that will be all. That's 2 times 2 times 2. Nothing concern us with this one which are not what? Common. Even if the number is common to just 2 of them and not what? All the whole 3. Let's say we have a number that is common to 16 and 24. In as much as it's not common to 8, you are not going to pick it. So you are only concerned with the number that is common to the 3 of them, and then you multiply So this will give us 8. So you can see we got exactly 8 that we got while we use tabular method. Let's go to number 2. So it's just as simple as that. Number 2 is 9, 27, and 81. So our concern is only, oh, sorry, I was already ruling. So we are actually using product of prime factor. So I'm to arrange it like this. That will be 9, 27, and then we have 81. So this is the method we are using. I was already switching to tabular method. So here we are going to write the write 9 as a product of its prime factors. That will be 3 times 3. You already know how we can do that. So if you don't know how to write this directly, you can always draw your tree and then you bring it out. So for 27 it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3, and for 81 it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So this 3 is common to the 3 of them. These 3 is common to the 3 of them. So as far as we are concerned here, okay, if it's LCM, you know we are going to pick these 3. But in HCF, we are not going to do that because these 3 is only common to the 2 of them, and it's not common to what the third one, which happened to be what 9. So it's none of our business. So we are not going to pick it. And even this 3 here that is standing out alone here, we are not going to pick it because it's not common to the 3 of them. We are only concerned with the one that is common to the 3 of them, and that is this and this. So we say HCF equals 3 times 3, and then that will give us 9. So the HCF here is going to be what? 9. So I do hope you have a good understanding of this. You can repeat the video, replay it until you grab what I've actually dish out in this video. So the same practice I gave in the last video, that's what I will still give you. So you can use this method now to solve this question. And please let me have your comment in the comment section. Tell me if you are able to get the same answer or not. Till I meet you in the next class, remain blessed. Bye for now.